when there is no enemy within. The enemies outside cannot hurt you, meaning self-awareness and inner peace are powerful shields against external challenges. The best way to eat an elephant in your path is to cut him up into little pieces, meaning break down big challenges into smaller, manageable tasks. The moon moves slowly, but it crosses the town, meaning patience and persistence lead to eventual success. A bird that flies off the earth and lands on an anthill is still on the ground, meaning one should remain humble despite achievements. The man who has bread to eat does not appreciate the severity of a famine, meaning contentment often comes from experiencing hardship. A tree is known by its fruit, meaning judge someone by their actions, not just their words. The sun never sets without fresh news, meaning each day brings new opportunities and challenges. Even the best cooking pot will not produce food, meaning tools alone are not enough, skill and effort matter. You cannot build a house for last year's summer, meaning focus on the present and future, not past accomplishments. A child who is to be successful is not reared exclusively on a bed of down, meaning success often requires facing challenges and hardships. The lizard that jumped from the high Iroko tree to the ground said he would praise himself if no one else did, meaning take pride in your achievements, even if others don't recognize them. Do not look where you fell, but where you slipped, meaning focus on identifying and correcting the root cause of your problems. When elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers, meaning the powerless often bear the brunt of conflicts between the powerful. The frowning of a goat does not stop it from being priced, meaning one's value is not diminished by outward appearances. A person who sells eggs should not start a fight in the market, meaning be mindful of the consequences of your actions. He who is being carried does not realize how far the town is, meaning some people may not appreciate the efforts made on their behalf.